Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how to fix slow computer running on Windows 10. So if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe and liking the video. So let's get started. In this video I will show you 10 methods you can speed up your computer. So first one is you have to restart your computer. So restarting help you to can resolve many issues. To restart your computer, just go to start menu, tap on power icon here, tap on restart. This will shut down the computer and again turn off. So it will be fix your slowness in your computer. So method number 2 is you have to check for updates. To check your updates, go to start menu again, go to setting here. In setting section, just go to update and security, and you have to check the update. You can see now I have 650 megabyte update available. Just tap on download. If you don't see this kind of download message appear, sometimes you will see check for update button. Just tap on check for update. So it will check the internet if there are any update available, and it is available, it will show it and download the update. After download the update, you have to install it and restart the computer. Then your problem will be fixed. If it is not work, you have to go to third method. Third method is you have to disable the startup programs. To disable the startup programs, just right click on the taskbar and go to task manager. In the task manager window, you can see there is a tab called startup. Just tap on it, and there is another column called status here. You can see some apps are disabled, but some apps are enabled. So these are these enabled apps affected for the startup. So what you have to do is, if you see any unwanted application is enabled from here, just tap on it and tap on disable. So it will be not any more effect for startup. So it also help to increase your startup speed. So this is method number 3, and method number 4 is you have to run disk cleanup. To run your disk cleanup, just go to this PC and go to your Windows installation hard drive. In my case it is local disk C. Just right click on it and go to properties, and there is option called disk cleanup. Just tap on it. It will be find any unnecessary files in your computer, and you can see there is option called cleanup system files. Just tap on it, then it will be find the system files, also some unwanted files. Okay, it is now loading. After complete that, you will see to how to clean those things. Yeah, it is loading now. Wait for loading. This include Windows Update cleanup also. Yeah, it is scan completed. You can see all the ticks are available here. If you don't need to some files to clean, just untick it. After ticking and unticking those things, just tap on OK, and it will be delete the files. So it will be take small time according to your files amount. So yeah, that is method number 4. And method number 5 is uninstall unnecessary programs. Sometimes you install unnecessary programs in your computer that are affected for your computer become slow. So what you have to do is you have to uninstall those applications. To do that, go to search bar here and search for control panel. The first option here, just tap on it. Then you have to go to programs here and programs and features. These are the applications installed in your computer. So search for any application you don't need to install in your computer. And as an example, if you don't need to Snapchat on your computer, just tap on it and tap on uninstall. So then it will be uninstalled from your computer, and it will be affected your local disk C space also. So that will be definitely help you to speed up your computer. And the method number 6 is you have to check for malware. Malware is play a crucial role affected for your computer speed. To remove those malwares, just search for security here. You can see Windows security, tap on it, and the first option, virus and threat protection, just tap on it, and there is option called quick scan, just tap on it. Then it will be scan your entire system quickly. It will be take around 5 minutes or 6 minutes. Then after checking, you can see all the malwares are gone and your computer will be speed up. So that is method number 6. And method number 7 is you have to adjust visual effect. Visual effect is affected for your computer speed mainly. So you have to disable some of the visual effect. To do that, just right click on this PC here, go to properties. In the properties menu, you can see there is option called advanced system setting. Go to here. Okay. In here, you have to go to setting under the performance section. Yeah, you can see now currently it is set as Windows choose best for my computer, and there are 3 more options here: adjust for best appearance, adjust for best performance. If you don't know how to change this text to make your computer best performance, you just need to choose the third one. Then it will be all unticked. So now you are in best performance method, and you need to make the computer best appearance. You have to choose this one. Then it will be select all the ticks, but it will be slow your computer. In this video, I am going to show you how to get the better performance. So I will choose the third one and apply and OK. Yeah, I will keep it as it is. So it will also help you to speed up your computer, but your visuals little bit boring now. So method number 8 is you have to increase virtual memory. To increase your virtual memory, what you have to do is go to search bar and search for control panel. First option here, just tap on it, and you have to go to system and security, the first option, and again go to system and go to advanced system setting again. Go to the setting under the performance section. Yeah, in here you have to go to advanced tab. Yeah, you can see which in the virtual memory section is here, and tap on change here and untick the automatically managing paging size. Yes. Okay, now you can see currently allowed 5632 megabytes, and you have to tap on custom size, and you can give the amount you need to increase. So you can maximum go to 8 this amount, and please remember add the amount below than this amount, because this is the maximum amount. After you add in the amount, just tap on OK. Then it will be the new virtual memory size. Okay. Yeah, that is method number 8. And the 9th method is you have to update the drivers. To update your drivers, what you have to do is just right click on this PC in desktop, go to manage third option, okay, it will be open computer management, and in the computer management you can see there is option called device manager. Just tap on it. Yeah, these are the drivers installed on your computer. What you have to do is just go to each one and right click on that driver and tap on update driver and search automatically for drivers. So this will find the drivers from the internet. Is there any update available, and if it has an update, it will be installed that update. After doing all these things, you have to restart your computer to successfully install the updates. Yeah, that is the method number 9. The last method is you have to defragment your hard drive. To defragment your hard drive, what you have to do is just go to this PC, or just close it and search for defragment. In the search menu, you can see this kind of icon here. Just tap on it. Defragment means your hard drive make the fragments and then after reassign it. So it also help to clean the cache files kind of things. So it will be definitely increase your speed of your computer. So you can see there are 4 drives here. What you have to do is just select whatever you like drive and tap on optimize. Then it will be start the fragmenting and then relocated it. So do the same thing for all the 4 drives. In my case, if you have more than 4, you just select all one. So then after just tap on close. After doing all the things, your computer will be definitely increase the speed. So these are the 10 methods I have to show you to increase your computer speed in your Windows 10 computer. So if you gain some knowledge from this video, please consider subscribe and liking the video. Thank you.